Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Arden is stuck in a recession and needs a fix fast. We must find the perfect combo of fiscal and monetary policy to restore employment. To combat a recession and restore full employment, we need expansionary policies that boost aggregate demand. This means the government must either increase its spending or decrease taxes to help citizens. Decreasing personal income tax rates puts more money into consumers' pockets, which increases overall spending. This fiscal move shifts the demand curve to the right, helping the economy grow much faster now. Buying bonds on the open market increases the money supply and lowers interest rates. This expansionary monetary policy makes option E the perfect choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.